don't you know, say, what trust is shaking my baby. Bread is a better gun, tear down us.
Or Tiame and him as Emka. A man for Mazuma.
And then, sorry. And then, sorry.
Wow, that was a brief display. Well done, well done. Next on the program, we have the beautiful. You are looking so sweet.
On your feet, and then if you have to focus the camera to meet them at the angle where you can catch them very well, and you capture them easily. Don't just stand up and come and block someone's view. They are all watching, please.
They are displaying African wear. African wear. Very lovely and nice.
And they call it catwalk. So if you look at the person and he's not making any catwalk, just decide to find any other animals walk for him, the person.
The beach wear follows. The beach wear. Let's give it up for them. They are doing so well. And beach wear. Yeah. Oh, and like the sumchi. They can.
Okay.
That's beach. For Kumasi, unfortunately, we don't have a beach.
Okay.
So maybe like the sumchi.
Probably they are just at the golden tulip.
Okay, sort of.
Okay. Come on.
So that's our Nigerian woman over there. Displaying a lovely culture of the Nigerians. With Holy Trinity, we have children from all over the world. And we have Nigeria. I actually have a Nigerian in my class. African culture. They are nicely dressed in their painted clothes.
It's wonderful.
Looking very sweet.
You see, Ghana, we have rich culture.
Yeah.
And some of the things that we have also learned, we can see from this angle.
Yes. The fashion they are really displaying that.
Now look at
The
this.
bride and the groom.
Is this sensation?
Wow. We have the bride and groom
Oh, okay.
looking so lovely. Very beautiful.
Hey, I want chances.
Oh, love is in the air. The bride and the groom.
Caresses.
They are exhibiting love. Oh, please can't we appreciate them? Let's appreciate them. Let's clap for them.
Yes.
They are really doing
Then I can tell
well.
the way you should go. So that when
Very
you close, you
nice.
not depart from it.
And you can also appreciate them in cash.
They are working too fast. Yes. It's as if they want to go and get one card for mouse. Official leaders, as we said, these people are growing, they are learning, and they are going to teach the next generation. And so, let us be mindful of these people, let them know what is right for them to do. And so when they grow, they will not become prophets, and they will teach our all grandchildren and their great-great-grandchildren as well. Let's appreciate you. If you have anything in your pocket, be it a coin or whatever, let them know that when they do good things, you will appreciate. So just rise up to your feet. If you have something small, let them get to know the effect of appreciating the children.
You've done so well. Thank you very much.